Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking in prerequisites. Know you are taking Gmat focus, set a clear target score and a deadline. Once done, collect study essentials like the official guide and focus practice sets, a reliable timer, and a dedicated notebook. Create a baseline by taking one full-length diagnostic under timed conditions so you see strength and weak areas. From there, map weekly study blocks with focused objectives. This gives you direction and prevents wasted hours on unnecessary review. Now you deepen skills and apply strategy. Run daily 45-90-minute sessions combining targeted concept drills and timed problem sets. Make sure to use spaced repetition for formulas, common idioms, and data interpretation patterns so retention builds reliably. Once comfortable, simulate adaptive behavior by doing mixed sets and full timed sections, then review using an error log to categorize mistakes. This identifies patterns. Adjust study blocks to emphasize weak topic areas, finish by polishing timing and stamina. Simulate 2 to 3 full exams, spacing them with focused review days so you consolidate learning. Use those runs to refine end-of-section checks, guessing rules, and time allocation per question type. If a plateau appears, switch to targeted micro-sprints on hardest question types and dig into practice analytics to isolate persistent errors. One key troubleshooting tip: when stress causes regression, cut back volume for 3-5 days and focus only on accuracy and core review to reset momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.